I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because I am going to be reviewing, unpacking, and I did just show you guys the on the body video for the all new Lily Jade Caroline in the gorgeous Old English color. If you guys know me, you know Old English is my favorite Lily Jade leather color. And this bag originally, the Caroline, came out in a faux leather, which is also awesome and also about half the price of this bag. But I do have a special place in my heart for real leather bags, especially Old English. So I am obsessed with this one. I already loved the Caroline when it first released in the faux leather because it just has so much going for it. As you guys saw in the on the body portion of the video, you can use the grab handle to tote this around. You can use the messenger strap that comes with this bag. It looks like this. You can use it over the shoulder and crossbody with this. You can also wear the bag as a backpack. And the straps on this backpack are very comfortable. I do have this bag packed up very heavily today. I actually have it packed up for all three of my boys and myself and a little bit of things for my husband, probably just like one thing for my husband in here. I have this packed up for a trip to Kings Island. Now I'm not actually going to be taking this bag with me because I do have to return this to Lily Jade before my trip. They did loan this to me because this bag is not available for purchase yet. It is available for pre-order. So if you guys want to pre-order this gorgeous bag, I would love if you would shop Lily Jade with me. If you want to shop with me, I will leave that link down below in the description. If you do shop with me, please let me know. I would love to thank you for doing that. So let's go over the outside of the Caroline first before we jump onto the inside for the packing portion of this video. So with the Caroline, you get your gorgeous Lily Jade beads on the front here with the usual Lily Jade logo on this gold bead here. You do have gold hardware with this particular color, and I think it's gorgeous. I love it. You have two zippered pockets in the front here. The zippers on Lily Jade bags are very smooth, which I love too. So you have two leather pulled zippered pockets on the front here. You also have a magnetic hidden pocket in the front here, which is very roomy. It's a great place to put park tickets and flat things that you want to get to quickly and easily. As I mentioned already, you guys have these awesome little grab handle straps on the top here. They are just tall enough to grab and go or put in the crook of your arm. You have a single zipper on top here that goes the full width of the bag. On the sides, you have these nice wide open pockets, which you could definitely fit a large drink into. In the past, I think I have used my Swell Traveler bottles, like the larger ones, in these pockets because they are just that wide. They're also great for sippy cups. And as I mentioned on the back, but this is like one of my favorite parts, you have these awesome, super comfy padded leather straps that can be easily adjusted with this buckle. It's really, really easy, especially when you're wearing it. Now, if you don't want to wear these, you just unbuckle them from the edges here, and these actually tuck down in here. I'll show you guys that in just a second. But if you don't want to use these straps, you just fold them up and you tuck them right into this back pocket, one at a time. It's very simple to do, very quick and easy. So then you have this nice long zipper that actually completely hides them away. So it's a very nice streamlined look on the back. Now you're gonna just tuck these in to the sides, and it's even more clean looking. I love it. How awesome is that, you guys? Look how flat and clean that looks. I love it. But if you did want to use your backpack straps, then this becomes a nice open pocket for anything else you want to carry that's flat, but the pocket goes all the way from the top here to the bottom of the bag. So it's great, I love it. So let's go ahead and unpack this bag. This also has great organization on the inside, and you have an insulated pocket in there as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna start with the side pockets. So on the side here, as I mentioned, I do have this packed up for Kings Island, which is an awesome theme park located in Ohio. And if you've ever been to Knott's Berry Farm, it's just like that. They're actually owned by the same company, so that's why I love it so much. Knott's Berry Farm is like my favorite theme park. So Kings Island is right there with it. So I have this little iPhone with all educational games and things like that on there. This is for my little guy, my 4-year-old, if he gets stuck in a long line at Kings Island, then I can just toss this to him and he will stay busy without freaking out, because you know how those lines can be, especially in the summer. But that's all I had in this pocket over here. On the other side here, I actually have sunglasses for all 3 of my boys. I have one for Jensen, he loves green. I have one for Colton. I got him some little aviators, they're really cute. And then we also have some aviators for Caleb in blue, his favorite color. So we actually got all 3 of these pairs at Carter's. They have different sizes for kids. So if you're looking for a really good deal on sunglasses this summer for boys or girls, they have cute styles for both. That is a good place. I think that they were like $7 a piece, which is really cheap. That's all I had in this pocket over here. As you saw, I didn't have anything in the very back pocket over here. Let's go ahead and go through the front pockets. In this snap pocket here, I don't have anything, but I did want to show you that's what it looks like. There's no organization in there. It's just a nice open, empty pocket that can snap closed. So if you have, like I said, paperwork or tickets or anything that you want easy access to, it's really easy to just access that. But I do love that it's kind of like hidden away. So in the front left pocket here, I have my phone. This is an iPhone 11 Max Pro. As you can see, it was standing straight up and down in there with some wiggle room. I actually have tons of space down in there. But I like having my phone up in the front there so I have easy access to it. And that way it doesn't fall out of my pocket during the day while I'm out and about. In this pocket over here, I have my things. I like to have easy access to my chapstick and things, so that's what I've got in here. My lips get really dry when I'm out and about at places like theme parks. So I have a lip gloss down in there, a chapstick, a mirror, some hand lotion, and a folding hairbrush down there. This is a Jujube small set piece in blush, which I actually think looks really, really good with the blush colored Lily Jade packing cases. So I did pair that with this in this bag. That's all I had in that front pocket. Let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. So this is the top of the Caroline in the Old English color. It's so pretty, you guys. If you're new to the Old English leather, let me just tell you, it is a full grain leather. I feel like it's more of like a naked leather. So if you take your fingernail and scratch across the leather, it will make a mark, but it's just a more natural type of leather and I love it. The color is just so pretty and neutral. I feel like it goes with absolutely everything. So let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. You have your leather zipper pull over here. It just goes from point A to point B over here. And you have a nice wide opening. So this is how I have my bag packed up for the Kings Island trip. Now on the top here, I like to keep a little sweater for myself. This is just a really lightweight zippered sweater that I can pop on if we go inside somewhere. I get cold easily, so I kind of always have to have one with me just in case. So I have that on top, and this is how I have the rest packed up. As you can see, most of everything else is kind of just located at the bottom of the bag. But this bag does have some great pockets on the inside, so let's go through those. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off first. Lily Jade gives you this great little key clip on the side here. So I just have my keys on there for easy access. You also have a nice leather trimmed pocket back here, and you also have a leather Lily Jade logo tab on the top here. So in here I just have my wallet. So if you are at a place like a theme park, the last place you want to put your wallet is in one of the front pockets here, because somebody could easily grab that and just go off with it. So having it inside your bag or possibly on the very back pocket of the bag is the safest place because people can't grab it from you. So I have my wallet from Jujube here in the vanilla color. This is from their Beyond collection. This is their coffee break wallet. I absolutely love it. Highly recommend those. They're so nice. That's all that I had in this pocket here. I'm gonna say right now that most of what I have in here is snacks. When I go to theme parks, the last thing I wanna do is spend an arm and a leg on food because you know how much that stuff costs at theme parks. So coming prepared with your own snacks is gonna save you a ton of money. So I'm gonna go through these side pockets next. I have a bottle of water, one for my husband here. This is a 9-ounce swell bottle. We can just go around and fill those up around at the theme park if we run out. I also have one for me here. This is also a 9-ounce swell bottle. And the pocket over here is actually insulated. So if you are taking baby bottles to the theme park, that's a great pocket for that. It's actually wide enough to have 2 tall, skinny baby bottles in. That is your insulated pocket in this bag. The other one on the opposite side is just a slip pocket with some elastic. So you can put all kinds of different things in that one. You also have these awesome front pockets here. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this around so you guys can see a little bit better. I feel like when I show you guys from this side, it's just a little easier. So on this side here, I have a pack of wipes. This is a wipe pouch 30. Now, if we eat somewhere in the park and the kids get sticky or they touch something gross, because that does happen at theme parks, I'll have this to wipe them off with. So I always like to carry those with me everywhere I go. I also have a wet bag. So my son is potty trained, but he has a tendency to hold it too long, especially if he's having fun. So I'm assuming, you know, we may have an accident while we are out at the theme parks. And if that happens, then I do at least have this as my backup plan to keep everything contained if it gets wet. So I have that just in case. Next to that, in this leather trimmed pocket here, I have our little med kit, and this is in a Itsy Ritsy small piece from the Pack Like a Boss collection. You can find these at the Sensible Mama. And I will link everything that I can in the description below for you guys. So if you want to shop any of the products that you see in this video, they will be there. So let's go ahead and go through here. This is what I have in there. I have some Advil. I tend to get headaches when I go to theme parks. It's just loud, you know, and there's a lot of people. So I have some Advil there. I have some antibiotic ointment, throat lozenge, nail clippers, Aquaphor lip balm, and then a whole bunch of different types of Band-Aids and things underneath as well. So if somebody gets a boo-boo or gets a headache while we're there, then I have something. I might put something for the kids for headaches too, just in case. My middle son gets headaches pretty often, so that's what I had in all the other pockets on the outside. So let's go ahead and go through the very bottom of the bag where I have my pouches and things. So I think I'm gonna go through this one first. This is my Lily Jade large packing case. And I put my son's change of clothes in here just in case he does have an accident. I have a backup set of clothes for him, but I liked to use this pack instead of one of the smaller ones that come with this set because it stayed so slim. Look at how slim that is. I love it. So I have a pair of shorts in here, a t-shirt, an extra pair of underwear, and a pair of socks. So that is in their blush color, so pretty. You can find those on the Lily Jade website as well. Now the last thing I have to go through is this, which I said before. I have a ton of snacks in this bag. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and move this out of the way so you guys can see just how much I have in this. So this is the Itsy Ritsy large piece from the Pack Like a Boss collection. So this is just a large mesh pouch basically. And I have a ton of snacks in here. So I have one for each kid. I have crackers, one for each. Z-bars, 3 juices. I'm not gonna pull those out. I also have 3 raisins, yogurt raisins, because those are good. And then I have 3 Go-Go squeezes down in there. So as you can see, this actually holds a ton. And I did mention the bag was a little bit heavy, but the thing about snacks at a theme park is that you go through them fairly quickly. So the less food that I have in the bag, the lighter my bag is going to become as the day goes on. So I'm not worried about the weight of these things because I've done this so many times going to theme parks with snacks like this, and it literally does save you a lot of money and a lot of stress. I would love if you guys would shop this gorgeous bag with me. It will be available in July, but you can pre-order it right now. So make sure you get your pre-order in so you don't miss out on this awesome bag. It's so gorgeous, so soft, smells amazing because it's leather. And the style of this bag is just so versatile. I love it. I'd also love to know what your favorite feature is in the Lily Jade Caroline. I think my favorite thing about it is definitely the backpack straps. I love how they just tuck and hide away in there. It's awesome. Thanks for watching.